From Priyanka Chopra to Sara Ali Khan, Bhumi Pednekar to Madhuri Dixit, all Bollywood celebrities celebrated the beauty of the planet we live in. Many of them feel that this pandemic may actually help us undo some of the damage we've done to the Mother Earth over the years, and hopefully makes us realize the responsibility we have towards it. While we are all deeply concerned about the COVID-19 pandemic and the many people who have been afflicted by it, there is perhaps one major silver lining on this dark cloud. The positive impact human beings staying in lockdown has had on the environment and how Earth seems to be healing while we stay indoors. The skies are clearer, we can hear birds chirping, and many species of fish have returned to rivers and lakes, and the air is so much safer to breathe. Recently, on the occasion of Earth Day, many Bollywood celebrities who are currently in lockdown took to social media to share pictures of themselves from around the world. Their love for nature, they shared poems, videos, and articles about planet Earth and why it is important to protect it. Sonam Kapoor Ahuja shared lines from a famous poem celebrating the land and the sea and the sounds of insects, which is real melody around us. Alia Bhatt went one step further and wrote her own poem.
Hi guys, so today is Earth Day and I was doing some writing and I decided to write a little poem expressing the way I feel about today and the way I feel kind of every day.
Where she not only expressed gratitude for things we take for granted like the sunrise and sunset, forests, animals, but also for those who have put themselves in harm's way and are our saviors and Earth's warriors.
I've written it. Here goes. Today and every day, I am grateful for the sunrise and the sunset, for the forest full of trees, the animals and birds, the rivers, lakes and seas. I am grateful for all we've built, our bridges and our streets. I am grateful for the love that binds us and the wind that sometimes knocks us off our feet. In these uncertain times, I'm grateful for those who put themselves in danger for us, our saviors, the world's warriors. Today and every day, I promise to care for our planet and all it has to offer. I promise to value our home by doing a little better. I choose to celebrate Earth Day today and every single day. Thank you guys.
Bhumi Pednekar posted a picture of herself with an edit that shows her holding the Mother Earth in her hands, standing on the ground. Sonakshi Sinha shared a picture of herself sitting under a tree with the message, "When you realize heart and earth are spelled with the same letters, it all starts to make sense." Priyanka Chopra shared a gorgeous sun-kissed snap saying the earth is our home and every day should be Earth Day. Madhuri Dixit Nene posted a video on the occasion of Earth Day 2020 where the actor is cycling on a beautiful path. The actor captioned her post, "This lockdown has shown us how little nature needs for it to revive and thrive." The honest truth is, we really don't have anywhere else to go or another planet to live on. So in case you missed Earth Day, it's never too late to take a resolve even today to do your bit and heal the planet.
How can I forget to thank all the people who've been involved in working selflessly for our safety. A big thank you.